So, the big day is here. You finally bought yourself a VR headset. Exciting, right? You're hyped, ready to dive into a whole new level of gameplay in the metaverse. But hold on, did you know there are a few hidden downsides to the basic setup? Yep, let's talk about what might ruin your shiny new VR adventure. First off, the head strap. If it's too loose, your headset will slide off. If it's too tight, you'll feel like a scuba diver who just came back from the deep. Hey, you could even pretend those red marks on your face are from a diving mask. Then there's the heat. In active games, the fully closed face mask traps so much warmth, your face starts cooking. Sweat in your eyes, zero airflow? Yeah, good luck lasting more than 10 minutes. And just when you reach a critical moment, the low battery warning strikes. You can't pause, you can't quit, and plugging in a power bank feels like a circus trick. In power-hungry games, your battery drains not in minutes, but in seconds. Your headset shuts down, and then silence. So, what's the alternative? How do you skip the pain and enjoy VR to the max? Let me show you. Look up here. Boom, there it is. The KKCOBVR Q3 Pro head strap with a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. Just by looking at it, you can tell. Ergonomic, comfortable, solid. Now let's do a quick unboxing. No commentary needed, you'll see for yourself. All right, ready to taste the upgrade? The headset now fits perfectly. No pressure points, no slipping. You can move as wildly as you like, and it stays locked in place. Need to adjust, tighten, release? With the Q3 Pro, it takes just a couple of seconds. And the hot swap battery? That's another 2 to 3 hours in the metaverse. Everything feels faster, smoother, more natural. Pop it on, take it off. Get back to work in the real world, then jump straight back into VR. Oh, and for mixed reality fans, the Q3 Pro lets you use it without the face mask. More open view, easier access to external devices, and no discomfort. Eye distance? Also adjustable. Just remember, don't let direct sunlight hit the headset lenses. The extra battery connects instantly in this mode too. So, here's the deal. One accessory, countless ways to improve your VR life. I see it now. You're only going to use the smartest, most functional accessories from KKCOBVR. And if you want to make your VR journey easier too, There's a discount code waiting for you. Check the link in the description. See you in the metaverse.